Top 5 Bulletproof 90s Classics with serious power under the hood. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet Corvette C4 ZR1. 405 horsepower. Discover the hidden gem that car enthusiasts can't resist: the legendary 1995 Chevrolet C4 Corvette ZR1. Get ready for an exhilarating journey through time as we unveil why this classic beauty is the ultimate steal in the used car market. Beneath its sleek exterior lies an untamed beast. The heart and soul of this American sports car is a roaring 5.7-liter V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 405 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque. Buckle up, because this powerhouse can launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 4.9 seconds. And just when you think it can't get any better, it takes on the quarter mile in a jaw-dropping 13.1 seconds. Number 4. 1995 Porsche 911 Turbo. 408 horsepower. The Porsche 911 is not just any sports car, it's an unrivaled masterpiece on wheels. And when it comes to the 993 version, prepare to be blown away. This iconic beauty is a true gem that excels in every aspect, especially in terms of performance. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a roaring beast, a 3.6-liter turbocharged flat six-cylinder engine that commands attention. With a jaw-dropping 408 horsepower and a mind-boggling 398 pound-feet of torque, the 993 leaves no doubts about its power. Brace yourself for an adrenaline-pumping 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 4.4 seconds. And if that's not enough, hold tight as it effortlessly reaches a top speed of 180 miles per hour. Number 3. 1998 Porsche 911 GT2. 444 horsepower. The Porsche 911 GT2, a road-legal racecar version of the iconic 911, is a true gem that ignites the passion of track enthusiasts. It's an absolute beast on the circuit, built to comply with FIA's rigorous rules for GT racing. But here's the exciting twist: this supercar from the 90s has stood the test of time and shines as a bulletproof track machine. What makes the 911 GT2 even more captivating is its shared DNA with the legendary 1998 Porsche 911. A car that boasts an impressive reliability rating of 4.95, according to users on KBB. This means that if you treat the GT2 with care, it has the potential to last for decades, providing thrilling experiences for generations of track enthusiasts. Number 2. 1996 Dodge Viper GTS. 450 horsepower. As we venture into the realm of American sports cars, the 1996 Dodge Viper GTS takes its rightful place on this prestigious list. Prepare to be amazed by the unwavering reliability of this automotive icon, standing tall and proud. Decades have passed, yet the 1996 Viper GTS continues to captivate car enthusiasts with its remarkable staying power. Owners Ern Edmonds, the ultimate authority on all things automotive, shower this beauty with a resounding 5-star reliability rating. It's a testament to the exceptional build quality and the lack of any major issues when given the tender loving care it deserves. Number 1. 1998 Porsche 911 Turbo S. 444 horsepower. Buckle up, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the legendary 1998 Porsche 911 Turbo S, considered the more road-friendly sibling of the ultra-rare Porsche GT2. This beauty is a true gem that can't be ignored. Under the hood of the 911 Turbo S lies a turbocharged 3.6-liter straight-six engine, ready to unleash an exhilarating 444 horsepower and 432 pound-feet of torque. But what sets this beast apart is its all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction and control on every twist and turn. When you put the pedal to the metal, the 911 Turbo S doesn't disappoint. With lightning-fast acceleration, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.6 seconds, leaving the competition in the dust. Feel the rush as the engine roars and the adrenaline courses through your veins. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.